John chapter 10 and verse 27 talks about my sheep hearing my voice, and I know them, and they follow me. The sheep hear, and Jesus knows his sheep, and they follow him. The Bible somewhere talks about the stranger they will not follow. And so hearing the voice of the Lord is very key in our Christian walk. My belief is, if we listen to the voice of the Lord, like I said, it is my belief. If we listen to the voice of the Lord, the journey becomes shorter. If it was supposed to take 10 years, it may take less, because he knows where we are supposed to pass. Sometimes we meander in the wilderness. You remember the Israelites? They meandered in the wilderness for many years for a journey that would have taken shorter days. But because of not listening to the Lord, because of disobedience, their journey became longer. Because obedience, hearing the Lord and obedience, they work hand in hand. You will hear and then obey. And so, hearing the voice of the Lord, my friends, it is very key in a Christian walk. Because the Lord knows where you're supposed to pass. Even when it looks impossible in our eyes, he knows how he will make it possible for us to pass there. We don't have to put a logic, because our logic will fail us. Our logic will not work. And in many cases, the Lord will give you a route that looks like it won't work. According to logic, it looks like it won't work. But I think he tries to show us that he is the Lord. And so, hear the voice of the Lord in your journey. He sees over the hill. He sees where you can't see. He sees the future. He knows the kind of family you need to get into if you're planning to get married. He knows the kind of husband you need. He knows, like he knows. And so, trust him by hearing his voice. His sheep hear. I and you, we are his sheep. We are supposed to hear. It is our responsibility to hear, to listen, to meditate, and to follow through. Hear the voice of the Lord. Listen to the voice of the Lord. And your breakthrough is on the way. God bless. Bye-bye.